Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix sound not coming from iPhone. How to fix it. So first ensure the silent key is not activated. Push it up to turn off. And second, disable focus mode. Go to control center and make sure do not disturb mode is turned off. Just turn it off. Third, go to settings. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on audio and visuals. From here, come to balance. From here, if you want more audio in right side, make it to right or else left, but make sure it is on the middle to get the balance sound. If these also does not fix your problem, the fourth step is to force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button once, down once, and hold the key and power it off. The fourth step is to turn off Bluetooth. If your phone is connected to external Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth and check if the sound issue persists. The sixth step is to reset all settings. Go to settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings and reset all. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.